This tutorial review will show you how to automatically add a label to an email in Gmail. Labels help you sort through all of your emails and order them in a manageable way. Labels are Gmail's big for folder and can automatically identify, classify, and then organize all incoming emails using these labels. By setting a label of insurance, for example, I can have all the usual insurance quote, spam, and marketing from my insurance and send to that folder. I can then read or bulk delete them as I see fit. I can rinse and repeat this as many times as I like for any subject that floors my inbox. Now let's create a junk email label that will sort through all the spam emails that Gmail's own filter doesn't catch. Now select Create Label from the left menu. Then click on Create New Label. Name your new label something meaningful and select Create. And now select your label and click on Show Search Options. Add unsubscribe to the include the words line. Then click on Create Filter. Click on Apply the Label. Check this box and click on this drop down. And from here select the label. Check the box next to any other operators you want. Mark as read is useful one. Now click on Create Filter. And as you can see, my filter has been created. Now every time a spam or marketing email arrives, Gmail will scan it for the word unsubscribe and will label and move it. As most legit spam contains this word somewhere, it is the most useful operator to use when dealing with spam. So that's how you can automatically add a label to an email in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.